Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. My name is Safura Karimova and I'm from LANDAU school. And I will teach writing for grade 4 pupils, Key Stage 2. And today's lesson is for English literacy. So, what we are learning today, our topic's name is Set for What. We are learning today first person narrative and wealth. What is wealth? Do you remember? Yeah. Wealth. What I am looking for. What are we looking for? We are looking for the keywords for our topic, and we are also looking for the conjunctions or joining words for our main topic. And today's topic is writing. Okay, you can sometimes write, therefore your notebooks, your pencils, erasers must be always ready with you, boys and girls. So, first person narrative. What does come to your mind when you hear first person and first person narrative? What does come to your mind? Narrative. Narrative. Let's put our thinking hats on and let's think. Think first. First person. Is it me or is it you? Is it he or she? No, it's me. It's me. It's also, I think, yes, it can also be we. I and we. I and we are the first person. Are the first persons. So, the narrative. What does narrative mean? Narrate. I'm sorry. Narrate. Narrating means that you tell the story. You tell the story from the past. It can be close past, it can be far past. And you tell the story. We are making mind map. Do you remember? This is the map for our minds. We just revise the topic about narrating the stories. You tell, you say the story. What else? What else? Oh, yes, you use past simple. You mostly use past simple because when you narrate something, you talk about the past events most of the time. Past simple, tell the story, and so you must have characters. We just revise this information, and when it comes to the topic of the first person narrative, you must always have I and we. Then, how to tell the story by using only I and we. So, for example, let's talk about writing. You will, on your turn, think about your own story, and I will tell my own story as well. Yesterday, I went to the shopping mall and saw my best friend there. We met with my best friend and we went to the cinema. I sat in the cafe. I ate sorry, a piece of cake there. I enjoyed my day. I saw my best friend. I came back to house. I watched TV. I read a book. Oh my goodness, it is too boring, isn't it? Yes, I hope you do agree with me. I. And we. Now, let's forget about I. Let's imagine we. Let's imagine we. Let's imagine about it. Yeah. We, just a month ago, me and my sister, my sister, we can also say say the same. I and my sister went to the countryside. We, this time I will not use I so many times. We went to the seaside. We enjoy there. We eat fish. We tasted many different things with so many people. We enjoyed it and we had a lovely day. Then we came back to our house. We enjoyed. We listened to the music. We ate our dinner together. We watched TV. We read the book. We listened to the music. We. Oh, there are many we all around your story. I think we can change this first person narrative into the most different one, into the interesting one. So how to use it? Now, if you have this book again with you, open page number 101. People's Book, Nelson, page 101. Let's read. First person narrative. Robert Louis Stevenson wrote Treasure Island in the first person, as if he was Jim Hawkins and the adventure had happened to him. I remember the man who had come looking for the sea chest. And when you're writing the story in the first person, you should not try every single sentence with I or we. As you remember the sentences that I told you, you definitely feel that these sentences don't sound very interesting. I many times, we, all the time. They sound a bit boring, right? How to avoid this case? You can use conjunctions to join your sentences, so you will decrease the number of I's and we's in your sentences. Then your sentences will sound very interesting. And you will also use joining words, and you will use ing words in order to make your sentences very easy. Then, so, when, while, after, finally, then. So these words will help you to make your sentences very interesting. So, let's read one sentence, then I will read you a story. Then we will finish our lesson for today. Early morning, I saw the island one morning. I rushed to the seaside of the ship. I rushed to the side of the ship. I got in the small boat. I rowed to the shore. I got out. I began to explore. I was bored just because I read these sentences with I. How to change this sentence with from first person narrative into the first person narrative again, but this time we'll make our sentences, our little story, very interesting. Listen carefully. Early one morning, I saw the island and rushed to the side of the ship. There was a small boat, so I got in and rowed to the island. After getting out of the boat, I began to explore. Can you differentiate between these two sentences? These two narrated speeches? I think, yeah, the second one sounded much more interesting than the first part. So, are you ready to sit on the carpet? I hope you guys, you boys and girls, miss our reading time on the carpet. So it's time to take our shoes off as a rule for our carpet. Then I will sit on the carpet and read one story with the first person narrative. This story is from Robert Louis Stevenson, and this story is called Treasure Island. In this story, Robert Louis Stevenson appears as Jim Hawkins, and he used first person narrative in his story. Are you ready? Now, open page number 94. It's from, from our People's Book, Nelson, People Book 4. I hope we are all reading together. Robert Louis Stevenson, Unit 12, Treasure Island. Robert Louis Stevenson's Treasure Island is an adventure story about Jim Hawkins and his research for some hidden treasure. Jim has found some papers and a book in a sea chest that was left in his parents' inn by an old pirate named Billy Bones, who has recently died. Some men came to the inn looking for the sea chest, but they ran away when a group of soldiers arrived. In this extract, Jim goes to see Dr. Livesey and Squire Trelawney to show them what he has found. Are you ready to listen to the whole part of our story? The first part that I read was not the first person narrative. It was just an introduction, boys and girls. Are you with me? Let's get started. I'm sorry. First of all, said the squire, we will look at the book. Dr. Livesey and I peered over the squire's shoulder as he opened the book. There was some illegible scroll on the first page, and on the other page there were dates and sums of money. I cannot make head or tail of this, said Dr. Livesey. It is very clear to me, cried the squire. This is Billy Bones' account book. This is all the money he has stolen from people when he was a pirate. We looked at a few more pages. The dates covered 20 years, and the sums of money grew larger and larger. The squire looked at the papers. The bundle had been sealed with wax in several places. I watched as the squire broke the seals carefully. One of the papers was a map of an island. It was marked with the names of places where a ship could drop an anchor safely near the shore. The measurements written on the map showed that the island was about 9 miles long and 5 miles wide. A hill in the center of the island was named the Spyglass. Lines of latitude and longitude showed where in the ocean the island could be found. There were 3 large red crosses on the map. 2 were in the north part of the island, and 1 was in the southwest of the island. Next to the last cross were these words: bulk of treasure here. Oh my goodness, are you ready to listen to the rest of the story? I'm quite excited. Squire Trelawney sprang to his feet. Well, well, he cried. You know what we have here? A treasure map. I said. A treasure map? I said. A treasure map showing where Billy Bones has hidden all his money? Exactly, said the squire, and we will be the ones to go and find it. Dr. Livesey said, that is impossible. How are we going to do that? Nothing is impossible, replied the squire. Tomorrow, I will find the best ship I can hire. Jim will come along as a cabin boy. You must come as well, Livesey. Every ship is a doctor. Because we was agreed. I was excited, but but frightened too. I remember the man who had come looking for the sea chest. I was certain they would keep looking. I was certain they would follow us across the sea to the treasure island. This is the end of the story. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed, from my part, adopted from this book, this piece of the this extract is adapted from Treasure Island by Robert Louis Stevenson. This is the end of our today's lesson. I hope you all enjoyed it. Bye bye!